Today we're making fish with capers. We'll be using 500 grams of tilapia fillet, about 2 tablespoons of capers, and enough all-purpose flour to coat both sides of the fish. First step is let's season the fish. Add some salt and pepper on both sides. Next, coat both sides of the fish with all-purpose flour. Okay, just shake off the excess. Next step, in a frying pan, heat up about ½ inch deep of vegetable or canola oil. And then when the oil is hot, lower the heat and add in your tilapia fillets. After 1.5 minutes, you can flip them over. Want them to have a golden brown color like that. After another 1.5 minutes on the other side, check for the color. So if it's good, like that, drain the excess oil. Okay. And set aside the fish. Okay. Using the same pan, drain the oil that you used to fry the fish. Add some olive oil. Add in some butter. And add in your capers. Okay, so once you can see that your capers have been a bit toasted and also the butter will turn a bit brown, and switch off the heat. Last step is you pour over the capers and the butter on top of the fish. Okay, so let's taste. So we get a piece of fish, add a caper, dip it in the sauce. It's really good. So the flour, all-purpose flour, adds a crispy crust. And if you noticed earlier, we didn't season the flour anymore. So the reason why we didn't season it is because the capers are already salty. So when you add the sauce, that will actually season the outer part of the fish. Okay, and we're done for the day.